Hey guys, Yoon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing one of the Cactus Jack item. This is the McDonald drop. I don't know if you guys remember, but 3 months ago we had Cactus Jack and McDonald collab, and I decided to pick up 2 items. This was back in September 8th, and I think they have multi-drop as well. So it was like 3 different drops, but these 2 items are from the first drop. And I decided to get a t-shirt and McNugget body pillow, which is still yet to come. So once it does come, I'll make sure to film it and show you guys a closer look on that. But what did came is the t-shirt. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys the t-shirt. Now, like I said, this was ordered September 8th. And it really did take a long time. I believe Cactus Jack promised 3 months. Again, I talked about this before with their previous drop, that they're made to order, kind of similar to Anti-Social Social Club. So you put in the order, they take all the order, take the money, and then start the production of these things. So it does take a long time from a point of your order to when you actually get the item in hands. So for this particular one, it took me 3 months. So from September 8th to, I believe this got here December 10th. A little over 3 months if you take an extra day there. Again, nonetheless, I got it. But that said, let's kind of open this up and I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, the package came in USPS. It came like this. I'll go ahead and open it up. And with the package, okay, this is not what I expected. That's pretty dope. So typically, some of these brands send you a sticker, but they gave me a McDonald brown bag with this Cactus Jack logo. So that's pretty dope. I did not expect this. So pretty cool. I probably won't even use this. It's probably gonna be decorative piss. But let's put this aside and look at the t-shirt. The one I decided to go with is the fried t-shirt. I believe I got in size medium. Yeah, I did get size medium. And they had many different McDonald t-shirts, but I didn't want anything with the McDonald logo on it. To be honest, I really didn't care about the McDonald collab itself. I just wanted Cactus Jack t-shirt. So I kind of look for the one that's not as flashy or not as out there that shows as McDonald's. So the one I got is the French fries one that shows the Cactus Jack logo. I believe this is a brown colorway. I don't remember if they had other color, but I don't think so. So let me take this out. Unwrap this. So if you look at the t-shirt, again, it's just a Cactus Jack smiley face. It's a print on. It feels pretty bad quality, to be honest. So I don't know how many times this is gonna handle within the washer. So these print may fade away, but I'll wear it to see how long it would last. But I'm not expecting it to be lasting forever. The smiley face is drawn with the McDonald French fries. On the back of the t-shirt, you have the Cactus Jack logo with the size medium, and it says curated by Travis Scott. Doesn't really say anything about McDonald collab on the tag. On the side sleeve here, we do have the McDonald. I actually didn't know this side sleeve had this McDonald Cactus Jack logo, but it's subtle enough that I don't mind it. I wouldn't want McDonald logo right on the front of my chest. Pretty dope. Again, like I said, this is a plain t-shirt. I do have another item for this drop. That's the McNugget body pillow. I will make sure once I get it, I'll film for you guys. But that being said, I'll give you guys a closer look at this and we'll wrap it up.